Hi everyone, I just wanted to go over the LED bulbs that would be compatible with the interior and some of the exterior, and what to look out for when buying the bulbs. Pretty much all the interior sockets take T10 bulbs, except for the trunk if you have the coupe. Something to look out for when getting the dome lights is the diameter of the bulb. It's hard to tell, but the left bulb is 9 mm wide, while the one on the right is 11 wide, and the hole it needs to go into is 10 millimeters wide. But don't worry, because you can still insert the larger bulb in the front of the dome lights. Something to pay attention to when inserting them from the front is the length of the bottom to the lip. The length of the one on the left is 14 millimeters and the one on the right is 12 millimeters. And these 2 millimeters make a big difference on determining if the bulb will be secure. As you can see, the lip here is blocked by the reflective surface, while the black one is not. Moving on to the coupe trunk, it takes a completely different type of bulb called a festoon. And as you can see, this 43 millimeter bulb is a little too large for the socket, causing the prongs to bend a tiny bit, but it still works completely fine. The one I'm putting in now is a tiny bit smaller at 42 millimeters, and it seems to sit within the socket perfectly. So anything between 40 and 42 millimeters should fit pretty well. Recapping, T10 bulbs will work for the footwell, the glove box, the center storage, the dome lights, Roadster trunk, but festoon for the coupe. And as a bonus, these bulbs fit the license plate and the side marker, but just get the amber color. Hope this helps, and thanks for watching.